friends, today I'm gonna show you a very easy, but I say this is a bread pudding, coffee infused bread pudding. So of course first we need coffee. Here I take approximately about 3 teaspoons of coffee. I have 6 pieces of loaves that I cut horizontally. I have of course vanilla essence. I have some milk, sugar and 2 eggs. First I'm gonna take the eggs and beat them thoroughly. I'm gonna beat the eggs for approximately about 5 to 7 minutes. You know, this is just okay to beat them like 5 to 7 minutes. We don't need much foam or nothing. This is, as I said, this is a go-to dish, so we just need to mix them well. So now my eggs are thoroughly beaten. As you can see, the eggs are thoroughly beaten. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm going to mix my coffee. So I'm gonna take some milk in the coffee and mix them. So I'm just going to mix the coffee properly and dissolve this. Oh yes, and one more thing, this is instant coffee, so it's really easy. You can grab them and just make them. So I'm going to dissolve this. So it's now completely dissolved. Yeah. Now I am going to take a cup. This is a 350 ml cup, and I am going to put the coffee in the cup. So I am going to put the coffee in the cup. You know, I am like a caffeine addict, so I take here 3 teaspoons of coffee. If you want, you can take about 2 or 1.5 teaspoons of coffee. It's up to your taste. But I think the more you take coffee, the more you will boost your energy. Now I'll take some milk. Here I'm gonna take about like 3 ml of milk. So I just dissolve the milk and coffee completely. I'm going to make an awesome mix. Okay, now I'm going to put some sugar in the coffee mix because the milk is lukewarm, which will dissolve our sugar completely. Here I take 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can change the measurement of sugar according to your taste, but as I think this is a morning energy bar kind of food, so we need some more sugar. And if you are into the more health conscious side, you can change the measurement of sugar. So now our sugar and milk and coffee mix is almost ready. Okay, I'm gonna put them aside for some minutes. Now I'm again gonna take the egg and I'm gonna put some vanilla essence. I'm gonna put 2, 3, 4 drops of vanilla essence. I'm going to beat it some more. Okay, now I'm gonna take the dissolved coffee, milk, sugar mixture and going to pour it slowly, slowly, slowly into the egg. Okay, here's some sugar. I'm going to just pour it. Okay, I just pour them. Now I'm going to mix it some more. So I'm going to beat this for about 2 to 3 minutes. So what I have done here is I have greased the bowl with some oil. As you have seen, I didn't put any oil in the egg milk mixture, so I just put some oil in the pan, I mean the bowl, to grease, and this is the amount of oil we're gonna use. So it's kind of a low fat dish. Now I am going to put breads in the bowl, and I'm going to assign the breads in the bowl like this, so that the whole bowl will gonna cover. So what I have done here, that I have aligned the breads in the bowl perfectly. As you can see, I aligned the breads in the bowl. Now I am going to pour our egg coffee milk mix in the bread. So I am going to pour the mixture in our bread. As you can see, perfectly covered. So it's done. Now we are going to steam this for 30 minutes in our, of course. Now we are going to steam this in any pan with water for 30 minutes, and then our pudding, bread coffee pudding will be done. Okay friend, here you have it, the coffee flavored bread pudding, the ultimate go-to dish for our busy life. I have decorated my dish with white chocolate and wafer roll. You can decorate it with whatever you want, or you don't have to decorate it. The main thing is nutritious, balance and taste, and I'm gonna vouch that both are awesome, because this is my favorite dish, and I know this is like the ultimate thing for coffee addict. So I think this is going to be very important, very helpful for you. And if the dish is really helpful for you, or then please like the video. And if you want more and more quirky dishes, then please subscribe my channel, and I'm gonna come to you with some more quirky and tasteful and helpful and easy dish very soon. Until then, keep fit, lead a healthy life. See you soon. Sayonara.